Hello, assalamu alaikum, all viewers and dear students. Once again, Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we are proceeding on the parabola topics, MCQs, multiple choice question. Let's come, we start. Question number 55. The directrix of the parabola y square is equal to minus 12x. Looks here, the parabola is from the negative sign. We conclude that, we show that the parabola is on the left side along x-axis. So from here we conclude that the parabola is making along x-axis from the left side. So look here, the parabola is making here to the left side, and focus and directrix will be to the right side of directrix. Directrix, this line is called directrix, and here x is equal to what is the result here? If we are comparing with this formula, y square is equal to minus 4px. So minus 4p is equal to minus 12, here p is equal to 3. So the directrix of the lines will be equal to here x is equal to 3. That means that here x is equal to x is equal to 3. So if we change the equation here, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So directrix is required. Directrix is the parabola opposite side is called directrix line. So here p is equal to 3. P is the length of the, let us minus 12. Minus 12 means here 4p is the latus rectum. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to, so the directed line is x is equal to 3. It means that if we change here x is equal to 3, so x minus 3 is equal to 0. Correct option is here, B is the correct option. Similarly, in the question, next question, focus of the parabola is required. Focus of the parabola of the equation, if we are generally, we compare with this standard form, y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4p x minus h. Parabola is along x-axis with the h and k shifted units. That is also called translation units, shifted units. If we compare here, look here, y minus 0 whole square is equal to minus 8 x minus 3. If we compare here, k is equal to 0 and minus 8 minus 4p is equal to minus 8. So p is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 4 is equal to 2, and h is equal to 3. So here focus is required. The parabola is on the left side. So parabola is left side. Focus required. Focus means here h minus p, and this will be k. So we substitute the result, f is equal to h. H is equal to 3 and minus p is equal to, already have found, minus 2, and k value is equal to 0. So we get here focus 1 and 0. The answer correct option is in here. Option A is the correct option, 1 and 0. Parabola of the same question, just if we compare this parabola, y square is equal to minus 4px. So we get here minus 4p is equal to minus 12. We have already defined here p is equal to 3 and p is equal to minus 12 divided by minus 4 is equal to 3. So the parabola is along x-axis but negative sign left side. So the focus will be minus 3 and 0. So this answer is correct. So according to this formula, minus p and 0, here f minus p is 3 and 0. So the correct option is D is the correct option. Dear students, we have already done the previous question, question number 56. We have done already the same type of the equation of the directrix of the equation of the parabola. Now we are finding the axis of the parabola y square minus 12x. Axis. Here this line is called x-axis. This is origin, and x-axis of the parabola y square minus 12x from negative sign. So the parabola is show the left side. So x-axis, then we put this line y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Now we check option here. Option C is the correct option. If we are finding the axis of the parabola, then axis of the parabola is x dash, so then we put y value is equal to 0. Now the same question here, the directrix of the parabola. So the directrix is here y square is equal to minus 16y. So the parabola is again of the left side. We compare with this standard form, y is equal to minus 4py. Here minus 4p is equal to minus 16 and p is equal to minus 16 divided by minus 4 is equal to plus 4. So it means the directrix is along y-axis, the parabola is along to the downward parabola. Focus is here. It means that here this point is focus f0 and minus p. And here f was 0 and minus 4, p value is 4, so this will be 1. And directrix is required. Directrix of this parabola is on the opposite side, so that it will be equal to y is equal to, so y is equal to 4, because p is equal to here 4, y is equal to 4. If we change this one, so the equation will be equal to y minus 4. The directrix is required. Equation number option D is the correct option. Now focus of the parabola of the y square minus 16y downward parabola, so the focus will be 0 and minus 4. We have already find this one 0 and minus 4 option. Here A is the correct option according to this formula. So option A is the correct option. A length latus rectum is required. Latus rectum of the parabola y square minus 12x. If we make the parabola left side, because here minus show that the parabola is left side and this point is called focus, and the line, this line is called latus rectum. Here latus rectum, here A point, B points are the end points of the parabola. If this line is perpendicular, that is called latus rectum. Latus rectum of y square is equal to minus 4px. So latus rectum is equal to 4p modulus. So 4p here is equal to 4p is equal to 12 modulus. So the result will be 12. So result is 12. Here option B is the correct option. Similarly, here the length of the latus rectum of the parabola 3x square. So 3x square is equal to 3y. So dividing both sides by 3. So this will be cancelled. X is equal to 1y. So if we are finding the length of latus rectum 4p, so 1 absolute is equal to 1. Here option D is the correct option. The vertex of the parabola y square minus 16y, y square minus, so we can write this parabola is the vertex minus 16. Here x square, if we put x square, the parabola x minus 0 and minus 16, y minus 0. So look here, vertex are here HK is the vertex. In the place of here h is equal to 0 and here also 0. Vertex is equal to 0 and 0. Option D is the correct option. Question number 64. Which of the following of the equation of the parabola which is symmetric about y-axis? So look here, if we compare y-axis and symmetric about y-axis, it means that then we put x is equal to 0. The parabola is along y-axis. The parabola we check along y-axis, then we put x is equal to 0. So here, if we check here, option, this option is the correct option because parabola is along y-axis. Along y-axis. Upward or downward. So then with x square is equal to 4ay. If upward we are using this one, if downward we are using this equation. So it is symmetric about y-axis, and symmetry about y-axis, then we put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Now look here, if x is equal to 0, we get this answer, and here y square. So the parabola is and vertex is 2 and minus 3. That is not suitable. So this will be wrong. And here x square, vertex is 2 and minus 3. That is also incorrect. And here y square, parabola is along x-axis, but here asking about y-axis, so that is also wrong. Option A is the correct option because the parabola is making along y-axis, then it is symmetric when we put x is equal to 0. So question number 65, what is the length of latus rectum? As we know that the question is that one. Question is given. Question is given y minus 3. If we compare with this standard form 4px minus h. So here x is k is equal to 3 and 4p is equal to 1 and p is equal to 1/4 and h is equal to 0. If we compare with this standard form, H and K are the shift units. Here length of latus rectum is required. So 4p is equal to 4 and 2p is equal to 1/4. Both are cancel this one. So 1 absolute magnitude absolute so is equal to 1. And here option D is the correct option. And question number 66, what is the focus of the parabola of the same equation? Focus, we know that the parabola is along x-axis, so p is greater than 0 and p is greater than 0, so that is 1 is greater than 0, 1/4, and 1/4 is greater than 0, 1/4 is greater than 0, so the parabola is on the right side along y-axis. So we get here focus p and 0. So focus will be in here 1/4 p we have already defined, p is equal to 1/4 and 0. Focus will be the option B is here the correct option. Thank you very much for watching everybody. Please subscribe more and share with your friends. Once again, thanks to all of you.